Wow, congratulations, the last one to the top 12. How are you feeling right now?
I feel very grateful and very excited.
All right, here's is your question. What do you think is the biggest challenge faced by women today, and how can we address it? Once again, what do you think is the biggest challenge faced by women today, and how can we address it? Okay, 45 seconds, go.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I think the biggest challenge that a women face today is how they are objectified. Women are objectified for so many reasons. People expect women to be a housewife, to serve the family, which is a loving thing to do. But we have to understand that women are beyond how you objectify them. And today, I stand here as a woman who have surpassed how the people objectify us. And I'm here uplifting and making a statement that I can be a queen, I can be an entrepreneur, I can be a daughter, and I can be the one who can make a change in this world. And I stand here as a testament to that. Thank you.
Wow, thank you once again, ladies and gentlemen. This is the top 12 Miss Grand India 2025. Last contestant, number 26. All right, here's your final topic, advancing women empowerment in modern India. 45 seconds and go.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I would say that Miss Grand India is that perfect platform and the perfect representation of a modern Indian woman. I share the stage with 28 other contestants. And just before our grand finale, at the backstage, we come from different background, different culture, different religion, from east, west, north, and south. But at the backstage, we united together in prayer. Before our grand finale, we united together in prayer. And that is what I call a modern Indian woman. Regardless of where we come from, regardless of our religion, the differences in our culture, we came together in prayer. We came together in unity. And that is the India that you see, the India that we have. Diversity in unity. And that is a perfect representation of the modern Indian woman. And I am that representation. And each of the 28 contestants, we are the representation of the modern Indian woman. Thank you.
Wow, thank you so much. And ladies and gentlemen, this is the top 5 finalists, Miss Grand India 2025, the final speech. And ladies and gentlemen, up next, the third runner-up of Miss Grand India 2025 is contestant number 26, Tsurila is the third runner-up. Ladies and gentlemen, our third runner-up of Miss Grand India 2025, Tsurila.